Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Tech Tuesdays are brought to you by NM Delt, a professional learning project from Propel. This Tech Tuesday series is a little different. We are going to be reviewing online whiteboards. Canva is an online graphic design platform. You may have used Canva before to make designs for flyers or handouts. In fact, all of our Tech Tuesday videos have been made using Canva so far. Canva has many design tools, but today we're going to focus on the whiteboard. In all Canva designs, there's an option for adding templates. You can access templates by moving to the left toolbar and selecting templates. You can manipulate templates to suit your design needs. So for example, I can change some of these colors around. They'll best suit my needs. If we go a little closer, we can also add text. Elements are shapes, graphics, animation, stickers, stock pictures, and stock video. Elements can be manipulated by color, size, shape, or even flipped. Add elements to make your whiteboard pop. You can access elements by going to your left toolbar, selecting elements, and then choosing any one you want. So as we can see, we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, we can even flip. You can even upload your own photos to Canva to use in your design. Just go to Uploads, hit an upload file, and there you go. Like most online whiteboards, Canva has a draw tool. One benefit to Canva's draw tool is that you can customize your colors using hex codes. Go to your toolbar to the left of your screen, select Draw, and customize your color. Like this, maybe a little more darker. And perfect. To collaborate with others on Canva, you select Share in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Change the access to anyone with the link, no sign-in required. That way, anyone who you share the whiteboard with does not need a Canva account to add to your design. Some benefits of Canva are: free accounts give you access to unlimited whiteboards. There are enough features with the free account to suit your needs. Learners do not need to create accounts to access the whiteboard. And finally, if you have experience with Canva and have made designs with it before, you can add these designs to your whiteboard and manipulate them with ease. The downsides to Canva are: there is a bit of a learning curve. If you are not familiar with Canva tools, you might need to spend some time on Canva Learn for free practice. Canva's free account has limited features and options. There are elements and templates only available with a pro account. Canva provides free pro accounts for nonprofit organizations and educational institutions. Please check with your administrator if you can get access to a Canva Pro account. To use Canva on a phone or tablet, you must download the Canva app, which might be challenging for new users. Canva does not integrate with other tools. You will need to use it in a browser or download the app for phone or tablet use.